Hey, it's John from OGS. XE Falcon. With all the lockdown stuff, it's been a little bit difficult to work on this thing, but here it is. Let's get to work. Ooh. All right, let's go. Here are the keys. There we go. First go, here we go. Let's get her in. On the road again. It's my favourite song. Oop. I was like I wanted to use the collar shift, so I was so used to it. Ah, goodness me. You look left to make sure no one runs into us. Good. Hey, this is the XD. Look at that. Should we run into it? Let's cruise on in. Is it going to scrape? No, because we've got lots of clearance. Alright. It's like we're in Jurassic Park. There's a pallet right in front of us. Should I hit it? Nah, I'll leave it be. Alright. Oh, let's get to work. Let's clean all the trims. I'm just going to mask around it so I don't get liquid around on the windscreen. I'm probably just going to use gun wash because I think it'll get all the paint off. And I know it's meant to be black, but I'll clean it and paint it, you know, at a later stage. Let's get to work. As you can see, we're missing a parcel shelf. I think that's pretty integral when you rock up to the road where the pits. I think they want to see something there. So as you can see, we've also got a mirror which needs to go just over there. All right, we'll get that done.
2, 1, go.
Tow hitch, let's get rid of that bad boy. I reckon maybe we can clean her up. Maybe we'll even chuck it on the XD. This thing needs to earn its own upgrades. See how we go. Oh, look at this. Loosey goosey. Nice. I'm going to take you home and wrench on her there. It's going to be a little bit easier. All right, I'm back. Let's get to work. All right, just cleaning everything up, just having a bit of a look underneath there. You can see that would be fully clogged up, and you can see all this sort of like surface rust along here. I reckon we get the air gun maybe tomorrow with the compressor and then try to blow it out maybe from that end to over this end here and somehow get all of this stuff out. And I also, if I can open that, need to take off the door cards because I can see a bit of blah 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 down here. It's not too bad, but I reckon there's probably at least that much dirt build up in the bottom of these doors, which would start to cause some of that sort of stuff there. So I reckon that once we take off the door trim and have a bit of a squizzy, all will be revealed. I don't want to do it now because I'm in the middle of cleaning everything, but you can sort of see that's sort of just falling away from there. We can fix that, it's no problems. To be honest, I've forgotten exactly what I'm meant to be doing. I think I was meant to be taking off the bumper bars or something. I'm having a great time just cleaning her up. I mean, it's still dirty. For the video, guys, I sort of just, you know, wash it over once over, but I'm enjoying myself. So it's been a little while since I've, you know, had this sort of time to myself. So I'm not going to film everything, of course, but I'm having a great time. Good luck to my editing guy. Ah. Alrighty, we've got a mirror, guys. Geez, last night I tried to just stick it straight on with this whole thing. I didn't realize you had to take the metal off. Silly me. Anyway, still more things to do. I must admit I got carried away with cleaning this bad boy because I got really in the groove and I was really enjoying myself. So unfortunately I didn't get through all the jobs I wanted to do, but hey, that's what the weekend's for, right? Happy weekend, take care guys, cheers.